County in east central Colorado, northeastern Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado, until 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles north of Pueblo Depot, or 24 miles northeast of Pueblo, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Truckton around 12:50 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.